Hello, everybody. This is Logan Entertainment, and there, my friends right here. Got my friends right here. Hey, guys.
What's up?
Hi. So
Hello,
today,
this is my throne.
yeah,
This is my throne right here.
yeah, your little chair. Okay, so today we're gonna be showing
I'm just
you
gonna
a
be
tutorial
spectating.
on how to make a cool ventilation and a cool set of redstone. Yeah, you do that. So right now, I will show you how to put together a vent. Now, I'm sure this, no, actually, this is a broadcast, so if any of you are watching this and have already seen a broadcast of me showing you how to do a vent, then you don't have to watch this, but you can if you want. So to make a ventilation, you will need to do the following. You need to make sure these blocks, you make a 2-block hole that's 2 block deep, and make sure it's filled in with fence of any type, but personally I use oak fence because, I feel like it. So put some polished andesite like this, and you start placing down gravel on the side. Now this makes the gravel right here slightly sink. Looks almost like it's a slab when you compare it like this. It looks like it's a slab. So now we put in another layer. Another layer of andesite. Then we put in another layer right here. And now one more. And then we cover it up. And we go inside. Fill it in like this. If we put an iron trapdoor, oh, thank you. Put an iron trapdoor right here because, if we use the slab, we wouldn't be able to get in. So we have ourselves a little vent. So I gotta block this off. Now, to be very honest with you, sometimes the lighting in here is a little random, so it's kind of hard to get it perfect the first try. Alright, there we go. Now it's fixed. So now it is completely dark in here. So when you place the stone slabs on top, like I did, it looks like you are inside a 1-block vent. Now, just to clarify, you can only do this 20 times. So right now, this is 9 blocks, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So that's 21.
Oh, sorry.
So 20 blocks. 21, see? I did 20 blocks of it, and now this block of gravel is floating. This means that the gravity in Minecraft is broken, so you can only do this 20 times. So be sure to use this sparingly and as little as possible if you want to have a lot of vents. So basically, that is the tutorial for the vents. And one of my friends just died by hitting the ground too hard. Alright, so right here we have a redstone system where a button acts like a lever. Oh, thank you. So, as you all know, a lever is an interesting redstone source. And it's always done like this. Flip it down to activate, up to deactivate. However, for a button, of course, like my friend showed, it only lasts for a few seconds. However, I've found a way, well actually I looked it up, on how to make a proper set of redstone. And this is how I did it, and I will show you how to do it. Now, be sure to pay attention because this is extremely important. So let me just make sure everything is connected properly. Okay.
You could use like a redstone block, actually.
Alright. So to start with, you will need a block of any type, redstone torch, redstone dust, redstone repeater, a button, and just about anything that could activate from an active set of redstone. So first what we're going to do is place
What
a
about a redstone
redstone
block?
We don't need a redstone block. Alright, so, okay. So first, to start with, we place the block right here like so. Place redstone torch. Alright, so, yep. And then we place 2 redstone repeaters like this. Place the block right here. Redstone torch right here. And then 2 repeaters right here. Now, to be honest, when you see this redstone repeater look like it has a block of obsidian, bedrock, instead of a torch, then that's a good thing. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that this stays like this. Then you get another set of redstone right here. Right, and then put a piece of redstone repeater right here. And then you connect, and then you get out some redstone dust, and you connect it right here. Now, this part is really important, because if you don't have this, then it won't work at all. So, what we'll do is, place this here. There we go. So, what we do is now it should be done. So, when you press the button, the piston activates, and the redstone lamp is on. But when you press the button again, it deactivates, making this button act the same way as a lever. So just remember, this part right here is very, very important, because without it, you can be able to activate it, but once you press it again, it doesn't work. So that's why this part is extremely important. Now, just to let you guys know, for this part right here, you can add 3 ticks to it, and when you press it, takes a few extra seconds for it to stop when you press the button. So I recommend you just leave it like this. You just press the button and it does it instantly, just like that. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a bit of a quick video, and to let you guys know, Five Nights at Logan's is going to continue. It's just Chapter 0 ended up
Coming soon.
Yeah, thank you guys. Alright, listen. So guys, just to let you guys know, Five Nights at Logan's, of course, I mentioned in one video that was an update, where I had some music and stuff, that Chapter 0 for Five Nights at Logan's is going to be canceled, and mostly the reason why is because I realized it would take a little longer for it to be put together, and I know you guys really like Five Nights at Logan's, so I've decided to temporarily cancel it until further notice. But however, I'll still continue the story. It'll just go further ahead, and things will be different. So right now, I hope you guys enjoy the future projects that will be in place, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.